Hello again and welcome to Outdoors with Andrew. Today I did something a little bit different. I went mountain biking with my stepson. We also fished. The fishing wasn't as great as the mountain biking, but it was a fun little tour of Mantua, so you'll see some footage of the Mantua area and the Eagles Rise Trail. Oh, geez. Those folks are right where I want to go. One. There's a bass. There we go. Ooh, ooh. So Dave, in the outside pocket of my backpack, there's a scale. Outside pocket of my backpack, there's a scale. Crushed it and then went right into the weeds. Ah. Look at that. That's a nice healthy bass. I can't. Did you find the scale? No. All right. It's my first bass of the year. It's about gosh darn time. Whoop! Whoop!
And there you go.
There he goes. 1 pound, 12 ounces. This is good. Not a bad view of Mantua. Mantua Valley. Great fishing. And we're rewarded the view of Mantua. Well, there's a trail from down there that goes up to the knoll. So I think if we go this way, as long as we don't go up the knoll, lots of rocks, lots of rocks. Yeah, it's a little bit bumpy. A little bit bumpy. And which way down? This one's down.
That one's down?
Yeah. It's steep. Watch out, there's a big rock in the center here. Whoop! And there we go. Down the homeward stretch. Caught my grass bass right there. So that was our trip up to Mantua. It was a very nice bike ride and a nice morning. It really was fun, nice to catch a bass and be able to spend some time with my stepson. You know, Mantua is a great place to go. Would really like it if you would like, subscribe, and comment on my videos, and we'll catch you later on another episode of Outdoors with Andrew.